When you know, you know. When you know, you know. And it simply means that you've got the right information about Forex. No need to worry about a lot of things. And now the question is, how do you know you know? Well, according to my knowledge, my understanding is that everybody knows. Everybody knows. But only the very few Forex traders, which are very successful, realize that they know. That's it. And what you have to know is that they realize that it's very simple to know, but to realize it is not easy. So the secret lies between the knowing part. In life or Forex, did you know that if you don't plan, automatically you are planning to fail? For example, if you think things don't always or will never go the way you have planned, then in your mind, you have already planned for the plan not to go as you've planned. So, from today, start planning different. If you realize that everything is planned, me and you, everybody, everything in this world, everything from the very beginning, everything was planned. So why not plan your trades, losses, everything? Plan everything, your goals, everything. Just plan. Because at the end of the day, you reap what you've sown. So your plan is your everything. Nothing else. And for those traders who need mentorship, you can leave your comment on the section below. I'll attend to you as soon as possible. And all good luck. I wish you the very best in life. This is yours truly, Bozza the Trader, signing out.